So hello, welcome back to the new vlog. Encholar Materla. So this vlog we are starting in middle of Mangalore city because we are out of fuel. ಗಾಡಿದು ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ and petrol pump is almost 1 kilometer ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ and we don't know what to do now. Car is going. Our नौजवान लड़के लगातार अपनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. Come. Yes. Come on boys, you can do it. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಚಿಂತೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ 100 kg ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಗಾಡಿ ದುಡಿದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅವಸ್ಥೆ. Harun is so rich, but for 100 rupees petrol he is. Actually now I am in driving seat, they are pushing from back. Full vibe, full must vibe. Come on Ziad. Come on Sachin Baji. Sachin. Yes, ನಾವು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕಾರ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಿದೌಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡ್, ಕೇರಳ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಉಂಟು. ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಟುಡೇ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌನ್. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಸ್, ಹೇಗೋ ಅಂತ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಂಪ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. 1000 ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಚಿನ್, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್? Everyone were just watching us and they are coming somewhere over there. So we are going on the way to our Kasaragod. Where are we going? Wait, why we are going Kasaragod?
Don't know. New guy, I don't know. Who? I'm new guy.
Yes. What?
No, where
Sachin,
we are going now?
Sachin, tell where are we going?
Kasaragod, bro.
Kasaragod? Who said Kasaragod?
Who said Kasaragod? This line, no one.
That I know will tell anything.
If you are going Kasaragod, why will I come? Where are you going? Where we are going? We are going to Bakalford! Yeah!
Actually, the story is Sachin is scared of Bakalford.
We are going Bakalford. That's right.
Sachin, tell your flashback. Why you are scared? Sachin, tell.
Last time when Sachin went Bakalford, he had accident. Then after that, he didn't went Bakal.
Sachin, tell your story, Sachin.
Bakalford, very good fort. Inshallah, mashallah, we'll reach. Aram se. Jai Shri Ram.
Tell why, what happened, you tell. Story.
Your previous story, bro.
Tell Sachin your story.
Once we'll reach back.
No.
No.
On the way we'll discuss. Memories will recollect. Tell. You are going on bike and then. Tell
I
Sachin.
had here only accident, bro.
Where? Not here.
Bakalford, right?
I
don't know which route I was going that time.
That will take. That route will take. We will.
It's been 2 years.
Yeah.
I had accident in nearby Bakalford.
Yeah.
Arne slow poda bhai.
I have entered Bakalford, Sachin's dream place. Sachin, finally, after 3 years, you are here. Bro, my purse is empty. You are rich.
I don't have person.
Bro is rich and not able to give 100 rupees for fuel, 100 rupees for ticket. 2 people went without ticket. We'll see what happens. Arey boy nahi. Baba, let's go. Entering Bakalford without ticket, yes. Bro is stuck here. Ticket. We are not going inside the fort. Nothing is there. Just one beach view is there. Actually, this is outside only. No need to pay here. But you can see from here. This is a fort. That side is beach and fort. That's it. Finally, Sachin did it. Yes, after 3 years, Sachin did it. Yes.
Sachin came and took photo in Bakalford. So, how you are feeling, Sachin? After 3 long years, fulfilling 3 long years dream. Now Sachin told that he will give treat for us. We don't know where.
Our one of our friend home, Nawal Raymond, rich people, magnet car. We are poor people, came in Alto car. magnet. Where is our Nawal? Nawal home. Rich Nawal car. Big home. Nida the Miyaravati bro. Huh? He's taking shower here only. Okay, finally we are now leaving Nawal's home. Nawal gave us good juice, but he went inside. Only juice he gave. Nothing else he gave, right? Bread. Bread he gave.
Sweet bread.
Sweet bread he gave. Then
Sweet bread.
sweet bread he gave. Nothing else he gave. He is telling go.
Harun is the guy.
His mom prepared ghee rice and chicken curry, but we said we will not have.
Because he'll go to Savai. He'll go to Savai.
No, not Andhra. We are going somewhere else to have food.
Harun told that
So,
no.
but how was your experience actually?
It was so good.
So good, right? Your dream come true moment.
Yeah.
come true. But your girlfriend place is here only.
She's from here.
Bro,
I guess Sachin will become my Sala soon.
yeah.
Welcome to the
ನಾವು
family.
ಈ ಬಗಳ ಸಾಲ ಉಂಟು ನಾನು
Her home is here only.
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು
Oh.
ಈ ಬಗಳ ಸಾಲ ಉಂಟು ನಾನು
Sala Nepali.
Sachin, I'll ask you one thing.
Ah,
Tell about her.
tell about her. Yeah.
You like her or not?
Yeah.
No, tell.
Tell.
You like her or not?
Like this one, I'll put. I'm telling you now
You
only.
like her or not? Tell that much only. Paka.
You know, you don't
Whom
like
I
her.
asked?
Yeah.
Whom I asked?
So much you have, we know, but you tell one now.
Ah.
You like her or not? That girl in your mind.
Which girl is coming to your mind? That girl.
Ah.
Tell, you like her or not?
ಸೊ
You like her or not?
Like her or not? Tell.
Huh? From here.
this guy is making video. I don't know which girl he is talking about.
Okay, which girl is coming to your mind? You can tell that. Don't tell girl's name.
Tell which girl?
No
Say
girls
first
is
girl.
coming to my mind.
Pakka?
Pakka,
Yes.
guarantee.
You guys are
This only, Pakka. Kritik.
Ah. Pakka.
Deep discussion because
Sachin likes some girl.
Sachin like one girl,
But he's not telling
but
anything.
he's not telling. And we are in one place.
cut.
Okay, cut. Okay, this Sachin likes one girl. Correct, right?
Yeah, bro.
So which girl is that?
Yes.
You like one girl. Who is that? Who is that?
Where is she from?
Where is she from?
Anyone.
Yeah, where is she from?
I like one.
You like, but where is she from? Is she from Bihar?
No.
No. Is she from Karnataka?
No.
Is she from Kerala?
No.
Is she from Kerala, bro?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Some masla is there here. Is she from Kasargod?
You tell only your name only.
Is she from Kanyangar? Is she from Kanyangar? This guy will, every time he'll ask money, except that nothing he'll ask. This looks like elephant, this one.
So now
Elephant is hungry.
not getting angle. So now you are seeing.
Stopped in between something to eat. Fire soda. Charge cheese. I don't know Malayalam. Come on guys, fire soda. Tutu. Benki soda. You know? Soda benki vardu. You want benki soda? Means fire. Fire to that soda. Then chakli is there. Chakli, you know?
I don't need bro anything. I had already.
Come. Fire soda, you need fire soda. Yeah, will it. Yeah. Chakkuliya. Chakkuli with the?
Fire soda.
Not good. At fire barpula. Okay. Wrong information, guys. No fire will come. Just soda matra. Fire will. Yeah, full josh will fire will. fire soda is here. Yes. Enchun. Idenda.
Fire.
Huh? 100.
Bendy.
Top. Like kulki. Like mirchi taste is there. Mirchi. Tata wide bend. This is so good, boys. So good. Taste of mirchi and pineapple. So good. So good. Fire soda is so good, guys.
Come man.
ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಕಾಂಜನಗಾಡ್ ಕಳೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ರೀಚ್ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡ್. Too late. 10 calls from home already and charge is 10%. But fire soda was good. Superb. Yes. Okay, now we'll go home first. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವ, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾಳೆ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ಇದ್ದು. ನಾಳೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್. ಫೈನಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. ತುಂಬ ಸುಸ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಲೇಟ್, 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟು ಕೇರಳ ಸೈಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ನಾಳೆ ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಮಲಗಬೇಕು. ಟುಮಾರೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. Like as a interns, 4.5 year we will be finishing. So if you like this vlog, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.